Chess is played on a 64 square board between two players. Each side begins with 16 pieces: 8 pawns, 2 rooks, 2 knights, 2 bishops, 1 queen, and 1 king. White always moves first, then players alternate turns. Each piece has unique moves. Pawns move forward 1 square but capture diagonally, and on their first move may advance 2 squares. If a pawn reaches the opposite side, it must promote to another piece, usually a queen. Pawns also have a special capture called en passant. If an enemy pawn jumps 2 squares past yours, you can capture it as if it had only moved 1 square forward. Rooks move any number of squares straight and laterally. Bishops diagonally. Knights move in an L shape, 2 squares one way and one to the side, and they can jump over pieces. The queen is the most powerful piece, combining rook and bishop moves. The king moves 1 square in any direction. There's also castling, where the king and rook move together if neither has moved. No pieces are in between, and the king doesn't pass through check. When the king is directly attacked, that's called check, and the player must respond by moving the king, blocking, or capturing the attacking piece. If the king is in check and has no legal move, that's checkmate, and the game is won. But not all games end with a winner. A draw can happen in several ways. Stalemate, where the king isn't in check, but the side which is being checked has no legal move. Insufficient material, where checkmate is impossible. Threefold repetition, if the same position occurs 3 times. The 50 move rule, if 50 moves pass without a pawn move or capture, or if both players simply agree to a draw. Thank you.